How to build chat data applications AI. To start a data dialog, you only need to perform a few steps. First, we need to add the data source. Here we use MySQL as a demo. DB-GPT supports some common data sources, and supports customized extensions. Next, select the chat data. Then, choose the model of the response, and the data to be dialogued with. Now, we can start the dialogue. Chat data capabilities are conversations with data through natural language. Currently focused on conversations with structured and semi-structured data, which can aid in data analysis and insights. As you can see, the AI will show its current analysis, and then give specific results based on the data. When asking a question, we can always switch to another model to respond to the question. The model will give specific analytical conclusions and graphical support for the data.